Here we are going to solve the problem called acceptance rate by date, which is asked by Meta or Facebook, which is a medium level question and the platform called StrataScratch. So the question is what is overall friend acceptance rate by date? Your output should have the rate of acceptances by the date the request was sent, ordered by the earliest date to latest. So that means if we have sent 10 request and only 4 are accepted, then the rate will be 0.4, like this. They have also given that assume that each friend request starts by user sending, that is user id send a friend request to another user that's logged in the table with action sent. If the request is accepted, the table logs action accepted. If the request is not accepted, no record of action accepted is logged. So let's see the preview of the data. So this is the data. If see, this is sent and then accepted. So we need to calculate the rate of acceptance by the date the request was sent. So on this date 4/1/2020, so expected output is like this. On this date the number of requests were sent divided by number of requests were accepted divided by number of requests sent. That will give us the rate of acceptance on that particular date. So I have already written the query because of mic issues. So here what I have done is I have created two common table expressions. So with A as this, select star from every friend request where action is equal to sent. It will take all the data where action is sent, and B, it will take all the data from the same table where action is accepted. So it will make two tables. And what we need to do is, so obviously sent might be greater than accepted. So here we will use left join of A to B, because sent might be number of requests sent most probably will be more than accepted. So that's why we need entries, all the entries from the sent and matching entries from the B, from the accepted. So here what we have done is used left join on user id sender is equal to b equal to user id sender, and a is equal a dot user id receiver is equal to b dot user id receiver. So and then we have count the percentage acceptance using this b dot user to receiver upon count of a dot user id sender. So this means most probably greater. So if 10 requests are there, then it will count user IDs of 10 requests, and out of 10 on the same date uh, it will count user ID of receiver, and then this divide operation will give us percentage acceptance for that date, as we have used group by here. And also, as they have asked order by the earliest date to latest, we have ordered it by date descendingly. So this is the solution for this problem. Let's run it, and this solved.